Hi guys, my name is Shivansh Rajbhar and you are watching Learner'sBay. Before we dive into today's video, let me show you something cool.
Exposing the secret to building your dream life. Spoiler alert, it starts with you.
Pretty awesome, right? You can create videos just like this, and the best part is it's completely free. In this video, we are going to walk through these steps. Follow the steps properly and let's start the video. Go piggytools.in. Go to topic idea generator. Fill the values. Various content has generated with the unique titles. I have selected the first one. Copy it. Go to script generator. Paste it here and fill all the values as required. Click generate. You got the appealing script. Copy it. Go to docs. Paste the script and remove the unwanted text from the script. Go to ai.invideo.io. Then go to another tab and go to temp mail for temporary emails. Copy the email. Sign up in InVideo using the temp mail email ID. Verify it by entering the verification code that came in the temp mail. Click create account. Enter few easy details. Now you paste the script that we made earlier over here and follow the steps that I am doing. Click continue. Click generate a video. Now within a minute your video is getting ready. You can edit your video if you want something else, as I will use it as it is. You can edit over with the edit option.
Exposing the secret to
You
building
can
your
watch the
dream
video
life.
like this.
Spoiler alert, it starts with you. Instead of focusing on what you lack, let's shift gears and build your dream life.
Let
Here are
us
3 habits to get you started.
watermarks
Habit
and
1,
make the
define
video
your
more
vision.
clear.
First things first, what does your dream life actually look like?
Now download. Click continue. Downloading the video in a specific folder. We will use Canva to remove the watermarks and logos from our video. First go to Canva, then search YouTube Shorts. Here, upload the video which you have downloaded from the InVideo, and to remove the watermarks and the logo from the video, just stretch the video like what I am doing in the video. Follow the same step.
Your dream life. Spoiler alert, it starts with you. Instead of focusing on what you lack, let's shift gears and build your dream life. Exposing the secret to building your dream life. Spoiler alert, it starts with you. Instead of focusing on what you lack, let's shift gears and build. Exposing the secret to building your dream life. Spoiler alert, it starts with you. Instead of focusing on what you lack, let's shift gears and build your dream life. Here are 3 habits to get you started. Habit 1, define your vision. First things first, what does your dream life actually look like? Get clear on your value.
Boom, you have successfully removed the watermarks and logo. Now you can download the video in 4K. If you don't have a premium subscription, I have given the link for Canva Pro in my description. You can watch the video after downloading.
Exposing the secret to building your dream life. Spoiler alert, it starts with you. Instead of focusing on what you lack, let's shift gears and build your dream life. Here are 3 habits to get you started.